Welcome to our tutorial on making money with AI-powered e-commerce. Today, we'll explore the exciting world of AI and how it can revolutionize your Shopify store. Shopify is one of the leading platforms for setting up online stores. Its user-friendly interface makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced entrepreneurs. Let's get started by creating your Shopify account. Head to the Shopify website and follow these simple steps. Next, we'll integrate AI tools that help you with product research and selection. These tools analyze market trends and competitor pricing to provide you with the best options. Design is crucial for your store's success. With AI-powered themes, you can effortlessly create visually appealing and user-friendly layouts. Implementing AI chatbots can enhance customer service and engagement. Let's discuss how to integrate them into your store. Now, let's set up AI-driven marketing automation strategies to streamline your outreach and maximize sales potential. Utilizing data analytics will help you optimize your sales and enhance the user experience. Here's how to interpret the data. Driving traffic to your store is essential. Let's explore effective strategies to increase your visibility online. In conclusion, AI-powered e-commerce is the future of online retail. Stay tuned for upcoming trends and advancements in this exciting field.